To set up a Payhip store, start by going to the website and entering your email address to get started for free. You will then be prompted to create an account by entering your first and last name and password. Creating an account and using all of its features is completely free, with the only cost being a 5% transaction fee. After creating your account, you will be guided through the process of setting up your store. The first step is to enter your store name, which will be displayed on your store, and then choose your domain. You can connect a custom domain or use the default Payhip domain. Once your store is set up, you can begin adding products. To add a product, click on the option to add your first product and choose the type of product you want to sell, such as a digital product, course, membership, physical product, coaching service, or bundle. For example, to sell a digital product like an ebook, you will need to upload the file, set a price, add a cover image and description, and make the product visible. After setting up your product, the next important step is to set up checkout. This is necessary to receive payments and allow customers to purchase products from your website. You can connect payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal to your store. It is recommended to connect both to provide customers with multiple payment options. With checkout set up, you can then customize the design of your store. You can change the store style, colors, fonts, and themes, and choose from free themes. The store design can be edited using a drag-and-drop editor, and you can set up customer reviews and other features. Once you have completed these steps, your Payhip store will be set up and ready to use. You can preview your store, add products, and start selling digital or physical products. The process is straightforward, and with these steps, you can have your store up and running quickly.